The 2026 Altoz TRX upholds its legacy of rugged functionality and is enhanced with superior durability and simplified maintenance. The most visible change you'll notice is the redesigned front end. It features a reinforced, fully welded structure with shorter arms and a modified I-beam design for greater strength. By shortening the arms and extending the machine's frame, we've significantly enhanced overall durability. The front axle casters are greasable, and a redesigned retention feature in the Torque Flex suspension limits the range of motion of the tire for improved functionality. The front wheel bearings are greasable, and we've added guards to the front wheel hubs to prevent material from wrapping around the axle. For quick, convenient loading and securing, new tie-down loops are added in front. Moving to the rear, we continue to use the reliable 38.5 horsepower Kawasaki engine. The rear undercarriage retains its robust design with the reliable, patented TerraFlex tracks, which are molded from all-natural vulcanized rubber, eliminating the risk of delamination. Encased steel cables ensure strength and flexibility, while solid drive links and a steel drive sprocket deliver unyielding torque and reduced rolling resistance. New guide wheel bearings are more durable for longer life. The 66-inch all-terrain deck retains its rugged build, featuring greasable spindles, which should be lubricated with each oil change. The greasable spindles still include spindle guards to prevent material wrapping around the spindle and potential damage to the seals or bearings. A counter-rotating kit may optionally be installed to convert the right spindle and blades to counter-rotate. This delivers material to the center of the deck and evenly disperses it behind the mower. The 16-inch deck wing extension kit is available, and the deck is now pre-drilled for quicker installation. The clutch lockout feature prevents the PTO from being engaged when the transmission is in high range. This helps reduce clutch wear and extends the life of the machine. Mowing speeds of up to 7 miles per hour are still achievable in low range. We've moved to a simpler, straightforward console with a new, more reliable key design that reduces the chance for moisture and debris to enter the switch. For the finishing touch, we've utilized a durable textured paint with added curb appeal and better scratch resistance. This is the new 2026 Altoz TRX, tough for those who are tough to please.